Welcome back to the Viezu Workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Ferrari 360 Modena. But before we tell you what it's here for, let's take a look around. This Ferrari is here for a Viezu Performance Remap and dyno, so it's time to get it strapped down so we can dyno it, read the ECU and send that file upstairs to our technical team to see just how much more performance we can give it. From factory, this Ferrari 360 Modena is running 394 brake horsepower and 373 Newton meters of torque. Our specialist team of in-house file writers are very nearly completed, making all the adjustments to the ECU file needed to extract even more performance from this Ferrari. So when they're done, it's time to get that file written back to the ECU, strap it back to the dyno and find out just how much more performance we've given this Ferrari. Overall, the new Viezu Performance Remap file that's written to the ECU has given this Ferrari a boost of 20 horsepower and 23 Newton meters of torque, a significant gain for this Italian supercar. So if you've got a Ferrari that needs the Viezu treatment too, give us a call on 01789 77 4444 or email info@viezu.com.